Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here for ARES Tools. This is our 33009 Auto Adjusting Crowfoot Wrench Set. This Auto Adjusting Crowfoot Wrench Set is the perfect solution for your search for the right tool in the middle of the job. With spring-loaded adjustable jaws that adjust to fit the exact size needed and ratcheting with each turn. These wrenches have enough coverage to replace a variety of wrenches. It comes in quarter drive, 3/8 drive, and 1/2 inch drive, covering 5mm to 32mm, which is 3/16 to 1 1/4 inches. Our Crowfoot wrench adapter bodies and jaws are finished with magnesium phosphate and chrome plated finishes, providing your tool with increased durability and protection against wear, tear, rust, and corrosion. And thanks to the jaws serrated tooth design, the heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel construction, you can approach any job with confidence, knowing the wrench will not slip or stick in use. Thanks to their male and female square drive ends, you can use the wrench's flexibility with a wide variety of ratchets, extensions for added leverage and control. Whether you're working on tie rod removal, plumbing jobs, loosening and tightening of hex nuts and bolts. So that is some nice features. So let's see what this thing can do. We'll do a little demo. Okay, so I want to take a minute here and talk about the variety of ways this thing can be used in the drive functions. So as you can see, we have a square drive on the end here, so you can take and grab your extension and use this. Provides great leverage, just like that. So working super. The other thing you can do is you can take a ratchet, and now you have it ratcheting. Works out really nice for some of those tight areas. Also, you can take your breaker bar, just like that, or not use an extension. You can put it right up against it, and there's even more leverage for you. So as you can see, each one of them does the same thing, whether it's the quarter drive or the 3/8. They all work the same way, so that gives you a lot of versatility in the way you can use it. Okay, so I've got it set on extension here. These things work great on hex bolts, and even the ones that are rounded. You can get a hold of the jaws like so, or you can just hook it on there and give it a turn. As you see, it ratchets on its own. Tighten it up good and tight there. So now we're going to demonstrate how we can use this on a pipe. It really works well for that type of thing. You can see how that works out so nice, either direction. No reason to remove the tool. This tool is great for alignments, working on your tie rod ends. And so whether it be the inner outer setup like this on a rack and pinion, or the sleeve style for adjustments, it really works out well. So we'll take a look at that out here where you can see it good. You can tighten and or loosen your locking nut for your tie rod removal. And as you know, some of these get on here and they get really stuck. So this works good for being able to get them off for replacement. That's our 33009 Auto Adjusting Crowfoot Wrench Set. Great coverage with maximum versatility. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.